Hi guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to delete a repost on Threads. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to open our Threads app. So we are going to log in into our account, and at the bottom right corner of our interface, we are just going to click our profile. And as you can see, I reposted this one. So how are we going to delete a repost on Threads? As you can see at the bottom of our post, there are four icons. You have there the heart, the comment, the repost, and the send. So you're just going to click on the repost with the check mark. So it means that you reposted this one. So you're just going to click on that, and you have two options. Either you're going to remove or you're going to quote. So you're just going to click remove, and there you go, it's already removed in our feed. So that's it for this video. That's how you're going to delete a repost on Threads. If you have questions, write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!